Good morning, children. Welcome to your grammar and composition class. Let's do some work from Alpha book. This is your grammar book, and we are doing the topic adjectives. Now today we will do page number 33 and 34, which is the further topics of adjectives. Now the first topic which we'll do about adjectives is little bit more about adjectives, and let's read the story and do some question answers so that you understand what more about adjectives mean. Every month Joy spends a little time of the shops. Every month, Joy spends a little time at the shops. Today, she visits a shop to look at some scarves. Joy is a girl who spends little time at the shops. Today, she visits a shop to look at some scarves. She has gone to a shop to look at some scarves. Now, little and some are again adjectives. Why? Because little tells you something about time and some tells about something about scarves. So every month Joy spends a little time at the shops. Today she visits a shop to look at some scarves. Next, she stops at a jewelry shop. She likes many necklaces in the display case. Now there she likes many necklaces. Now many is also a kind of an adjective because it tells you something about necklaces. Joy does not want to spend too much money. She buys 2 necklaces at the shop. She does not want to spend too much money. So much is also an adjective which tells you something about money, and this is also an adjective. So do you think Joy likes shopping? Why do you think so? She likes shopping because she just goes to a lot of shops. She goes to a jewelry shop. She goes to a scarf shop. How much time does Joy spend at the shops? She spends a little time at the shop. She spends a little time at the shop. How many necklaces does Joy like? She likes many necklaces. Why does Joy buy only 2 necklaces? She buys only 2 necklaces because she does not want to spend too much money. Okay, so in all these answers we have used little, many and much. Okay, now replace the underlined groups of words with an adjective from the story above. Now you have to replace the underlined words in this sentences with the various words you have just read in the story. Joy has a small amount of money that she wants to spend. Joy has a little amount of money. Joy has for money, what will you use? Joy has a small amount of money. So Joy has a small amount of money that she wants to spend. Joy does not want to spend too much money. So what you will say? Joy does not want to spend too much money. So you have to just replace it with too much money. Okay. She visits a shop to look at a number of scarves. She looks at the shop to look at some scarves. Okay, because it is written some here. She admires a large number of necklaces in the display case. She admires many necklaces in the display case. Okay, she does not want to spend a lot of money on the necklaces. She does not want to spend too much money on the necklaces. Joy has a small Joy has a small amount of money. Joy has a little money that she wants to spend. Joy has some amount of money. Joy has a small amount of money. Joy has some money that she wants to spend. Joy has some money that she wants to spend. The A will be some money. Okay. Now underline the adjectives in each sentence is given below. It is very easy. May I have some soup? So what is adjective here? Now I will just explain you all the parts of speech. I is a pronoun Have is a verb, soup is a noun, and some is an adjective which tells you something about soup. May I have some soup? So some will be an adjective. Please add a little salt to the lemonade. Add is a verb. Okay, lemonade is a noun. So what is uh, an adjective here? Little salt. Little will be the adjective because it tells you something about salt. Andy does not have much work to do. Much. Work kitna? Much. So much is an adjective. We went to Goa for a holiday many years ago. So many years के बारे में जो बता रहा है वो है many. So many will be an adjective. Mariam spent a little time with me today. Little will be the adjective. Pia saw some crows sitting on the gate. Some will be the adjective. So we use adjectives such as many, much, some and a little to describe the amount or quantity of something without giving the exact number of amount. Okay. Now the next is page 34. Let's do page 34 because we will be doing few pages every time so that you understand the basic concept of the grammar which I am teaching you. Okay. Circle the correct adjective to complete each sentence. Please try a little biryani. Much biryani. Please try a little biryani. I think you will like it. Please try much biryani to nahi hoga. Please try a little biryani. Biryani is a kind of a rice which you eat. I think you will like it. Mom does not like too many sugar ki too much sugar. Too much sugar in her tea. How many colors can you see in a rainbow? How some colors to nahi hoga. How many colors? The beekeeper took some honey out of the beehive. Much honey nahi hoga. Some honey. There was not much time left for a game after lunch. Much time. There were not many tourists at India Gate on Monday. So you should be knowing where you use much, where you use some, where you use a little. It is easy. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks with an adjective. The picture will help you. Now, just see this. Dash rain. What type of rain is there? Yes. Rain ज़्यादा आ रही है कि कम आ रही है? It is heavy rain. Okay. Dash dewdrops. Dewdrops कैसे हैं? Dash dewdrops. You can say white dewdrops or shiny dewdrops. Dewdrops होता है ओस की बूंदे. Shiny भी हो सकता है and light dewdrops भी हो सकता है. Shiny भी हो सकता है. Building कैसी हैं? Tall buildings. Dash toothpaste. कैसी toothpaste? White toothpaste or any other adjective you can put for toothpaste. Now make a sentence using each group of words. There are many cars in the garage. There are many cars in front of a school. There are many cars in front of my house. Some juice. Please give me some juice. A little paint. Please put a little paint on the almirah. Please put a little paint on my chair. There was much snow on the hills. There was much snow on the hills. Okay. So children, do this page of 33 and 34 by yourself. And mind you, we usually use many with countable nouns. Okay. Many हम कब use करते हैं? अगर countable nouns हो. Many means countable nouns means 4 cups, 5. There are many cups. There are many chairs because chairs and cups are now countable. We use a little and much with uncountable nouns. Little or much किसके साथ? Uncountable nouns. We use some with both countable and uncountable nouns. When we use many and much with was not or were not, we often use the short forms of the verbs. Example: these wasn't much money to buy. Wasn't much money to buy a present. There were not many apples left on the tree. This is very simple. So where we use when there are countable nouns, we use many. We use a little and much with uncountable nouns. Okay, children? So do this page of more adjectives, page number 33 and 34, and listen to the video carefully, because all the worksheets which I am giving in the grammar, they have to be listened well so that you understand what I am teaching. Okay, children? Goodbye and have a nice day.